नमस्कार दोस्तों, बंसल टेक्स एंड कॉमर्स क्लासेस में आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत। मैं मनोज बंसल आज आपके लिए एक नया वीडियो लेकर आया हूं जिसका टॉपिक है सेल्स फोर्स मोटिवेशन। सेल्स फोर्स मोटिवेशन ना ही सिर्फ कॉमर्स के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए बल्कि बिजनेस क्लास कम्युनिटी के लिए भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक। तो आइए समझते हैं सेल्स फोर्स मोटिवेशन हमारे बिजनेस के लिए किस तरीके से इंपॉर्टेंट हो सकता है। ये सभी कंटेंट आज के इस वीडियो में हम कवर करने जा रहे हैं। उम्मीद करता हूं कि हर एक कंटेंट आपको बहुत पसंद आने वाला है और आपकी लाइफ में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल भी प्ले करेगा। हम जानते हैं कि इस कॉम्पिटिटिव एरा के अंदर हमें काम को, अपॉर्चुनिटी को साथ के साथ ग्रैब करना होगा, अदरवाइज हम उसको कभी भी ग्रैब नहीं कर पाएंगे और उससे कभी बेनिफिट नहीं ले पाएंगे। फॉर दैट we must be having positive thoughts in our mind, and that positivity can be boosted up only with the help of motivation. So now, what is motivation? It is an inner state that energizes, activates, move or channelize behavior towards goal. It means that it is an inner urge to move towards a particular goal. Do you know, my dear friends, that 75% of the sales are being turned up or taken up by just 25% of the salesmen? It means that maximum work is being taken up by minimum number of salespeople. So, a manager must know about the needs, emotions, mental and physical needs of the sales force. When these salespeople move into the market to sell out the product, they often face hostile environment, rejection environment, objection environment. It means whole load of negative input he has to bear, he has to face. But I am quite sure that when a highly motivated person moves into the market, then these type of negative inputs never put an obstacle in front of that sales personnel. He or she may overcome and definitely overcome all these negative inputs if they are highly motivated. When it is applied to sales force management, motivation is all about stimulating sales personnel towards exerting more efforts for achieving sales objective. इसका क्या मतलब कि अगर हम सेल्स पर्सनल को जितना ज़्यादा मोटिवेट करेंगे उतना ही ज़्यादा हमारी फाइनेंशियल परफॉर्मेंस बढ़िया होने वाली है, यानी हमारी सेल्स, मार्केट शेयर और प्रॉफिट सब बूस्ट होने वाला है। देन व्हाट मोटिवेट्स सेल्स फोर्स, ये हमारे लिए समझना बहुत ही ज़रूरी। फर्स्ट, रिकग्निशन एंड प्रेज। Every human being wants to get recognition into the society, into the organization. When I am getting recognized into the organization or into the society and I am getting appraisal, I am getting praise from the inside people or outside people, then definitely I'll be feel highly motivated. Then fair pay packet, it means that everyone want to earn a decent living for himself or for other family members. So I must be getting a justified and reasonable amount of remuneration, salary. Working condition must be congenial, must be good in itself. It means that both physical and psychological conditions of the business working must be very hygienic, very comfortable, so that the best outcome may be there. After that, opportunity for advancement, as I don't want to be on same position for always. I don't want to perform in a stagnant manner. I want to have those type of opportunities by the help of which I can grow myself into the organization, into the society. After that, good supervision and leadership. See, every salesman look to their superiors as outstanding in terms of industry, in terms of knowledge. So When superior is having an eye on the subordinate or sales personnel, then definitely he will put his best efforts into the organization. Then opportunity for self-expression, as every mind is a unique mind. Everyone is having different thoughts, different views. So those thoughts, views, suggestions, ideas must be having that scope that every sales personnel can express them freely. When I am able to express myself freely, then definitely I'll try to give the best ideas, best suggestions, best attitude I'll be showing towards my organization. Then social acceptance, as I am a social being, so definitely I want to get myself accepted into the society. If I am doing best, I am getting social acceptance, then I'll be having more and more motivation and the performance level will go up. Then job security, every sales personnel want to retain himself into the organization, into the business, into the job. So he want to do the work in the best manner so that he may feel himself as a secured employee. Then desire to excel, it is very important, my dear friends. If I am having desire to excel, then definitely I'll try to put more and best efforts, and on daily basis I will try to put my best efforts for the organization. And the last and most important point of the topic, pride in selling. एक सेल्स पर्सनल जब मार्केट के अंदर जाता है तो उसको सेंस ऑफ प्राउड हमेशा रहना चाहिए कि मैं जो प्रोडक्ट सेल आउट करने के लिए आया हूं वो प्रोडक्ट बेस्ट है और मैं कोई गलत चीज सोसाइटी को नहीं दे रहा। जब ये सेंस ऑफ प्राउड उसके अंदर होगा तो डेफिनेटली वो अपने बेस्ट एफर्ट्स वहां पर लगाएगा। देन प्रोसेस ऑफ मोटिवेशन, हाउ एन एम्प्लॉय कैन बी मोटिवेटेड, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक। देन फर्स्ट, determination of objectives and studying the needs of the sales people. It means the reasons on which the sales people are to be motivated, we have to search out, we have to find out. And when the objectives are determined, it is very easier, it is very comfortable to ascertain the levels, resources of the motivation. Every human being is having sentimental area, so it is very important to study the sentiments, needs of the salespeople so that the best motivators can be selected and the process can carry out. Then determination of motivational tools. See, different type of motivational tools are available into the market, but we have to check, we have to select the best alternative to satisfy the needs of the salespeople. So we must pay attention on determining best motivational tools. Then communication of motivational plan, it means that every sales personnel covered under the plan should know about the pros and cons of the plans, the benefits arising out of that plan, the nature of the plan, and those motivational plans must be communicated well in time with the subordinates. Then integration, diverse interest. See, every individual is different in himself, so as every individual is different, that's why expectation level from different individuals might be different. So we have to make up a balance, and the conflict must be minimized. Why there will be conflict? See, every individual want to get himself promoted into the organization, so there are chances that individual who is doing the work, he might work for himself only, not for the organization. But we want to have a balance between both the approaches, so it is very important to provide such type of environment so that the diverse interest of individual as well as organization or different employees may be integrated well. Then selection and application of suitable motivators. What does it mean? that a motivator may be the best one, yet it may not be suitable. It means that suitability is very, very important for the organization. Then, creation of auxiliary environment. What does it mean? That both physical and mental working condition must be very hygienic, very comfortable into the business. It means that auxiliary environment may be created within the organization by providing the best ways, different ways, and those means for the individual by the help of which development can be taken up. Then, developing team spirit. See, every individual is having different attributes in the personality, but believe me, if the hands are taken up as joint hands, if we have joined the hands for the organization, then definitely the success will be there. It means that united we stand, divided we fall. Then last point, feedback arrangement. It means that the results must be compared with the plans, and if any gap is there, then the corrective steps must be taken into the business. It means it shows that the highly motivated person will get the best position into the organization, and that organization will get the best position in the industry. Believe me, if the sales personnel are highly motivated, if they are given the best circumstances or the best environment, working environment, hygienic environment, congenial environment, then definitely that organization will be having the first and top position into the market. So, united we stand, divided we fall. Thank you very much.